edad na 69, bakas pa rin sa tindig at porma ni Tingting ang glamorosa niyang kabuhayan. Katunayan, bago pa man siya sumabak sa politika, pinasok niya rin ang mundo ng pagmumodelo. Kabilang daw po pala kayo sa Harper's Bazaar Top 100 Most Beautiful Women in the World.
Yes, yeah. That was when I was young.
How did you feel nung time na yon?
Yeah. Kasi Harper's Bazaar ay pumunta sa Pilipinas. And they asked to see 4 women. And I was one of them. And then bumalik sila with the photographer and clothes and had us wear it. And then in the end of that, it was 1968. In celebration of their 100th year, I just got a call from my friends in America and said, you have to buy this Harper's Bazaar.
Kasama ka doon.
Because you're in the magazine. So I said, wow. Yeah.
Hindi niyo na-expect yun?
No, I didn't expect it.
So, ano pong beauty secret ninyo?
Vitamin C.
Vitamin C?
Yes, yeah. In my face, and vitamin C to drink.
Vitamin C on your face? Ano po yun? Ointment?
Liquid.
You put it on
my face.
Every morning or?
Yeah, every morning. And then sunscreen.
No Botox?
No, I don't have Botox. This is from Abra. This is Abra. It's a Tingyan attire. But it took me 2 years. It took me 2 years to complete. Kasi ito ay attire ng babae, ay may handbag, may belt, may necklace. Yes. Oo. Ginagamit ko ngayon noon eh. So yeah, she had the choice of handbags between this handbag that's red, like a big pouch, and this one is a small one.
Ito handbag din ito?
Yes, yeah.
Ito headgear siguro ito?
No.
Hindi.
A sash.
Of course, kulintang?
I used to play the kulintang before.
Talaga?
Yes, yeah. I had a little concert in Manila Hotel pa nga eh.
Nag-aaral ako sa kontragapi. Pedro Abraham.
Oh yeah, he's very good.
Yeah.
I got him many times.
Nung bata
In
pa ako,
Tarlac,
bata pa ako, si Tito Edru, tinuturuan kami.
Yeah,
pero
magaling
wala
siya.
talaga akong yung musical sense. So,
Yeah.
hindi ko talaga natutunan.
But I took up how to play the kulintang sa UP. And then I had a tutor here. Yeah, who was Maranao.
Ito ba ang ginagamit doon?
Yes, ito. This one. Kasi this one, they roll it pala. They make like that.
Pero pag simple lang ito. Ito yung lanay ninyo.
Yes, ito yung addition. Kasi actually, akala namin malaki na yung salas, but actually it's not big. Once you put in the furniture.
Oo. Ay, ang ganda nito. Galing saan ito? Mindanao din nito?
Yeah, it's a bit dusty. Be careful. Yeah. Yeah, no, they wiped it. They wiped it for you. Yeah. Galing ito sa Marawi. Yeah.
Uy, ang ganda Talagang, metikuloso yung pagkakaano.
Yeah.
Saan ito nakalagay? Sa loob ng moske? Ganon?
No, they really play this. Mga weddings. Yeah. And then ito naman
Itong
galing
malaking
din sa Lanao. Yeah, actually the
Drum din ito. Paano mo naman ito ipi-play?
Yeah.
Kung nandun ka sa taas.
It's used to call to prayer. Pero this one goes down. And
Tapos saka nila sa side.
Yeah. I went to Quezon and I bought this love chair.
Yeah. So, upo ka ng ganyan.
This is where they make ligaw so that you can say
mag-uusap
your
kayong
suitor.
ganyan.
Yeah.
Oo. So, kapag nag-aaway siguro kayo ng asawa ninyo, hindi kayo umuupo dito. Or pwede rin, magsasampalan. Sampalan. Mas madaling magsampalan dito.
Double, see? Yeah.
So, double purpose siya.
Yeah.
Ipinasilip sa amin ni Tingting ang bakanting kwarto na ito na nagsisilbi ring opisina. Makikita rito ang ilang memorabilia ng kanyang mga apo.
These are Demi shoes. These are the shoes of my apo. You know, I miss her so much. So when she left Manila, I got her shoes and then I put it here. Dito. Ito naman ay painting ni Mikey nung siya'y maliit. Yeah. And this is my grandson, Pablo. Pablo. Because he wants to be a pilot. Yeah. So, yan, rest him up. Ito naman, ang ginagawa ni Sheena. She bakes Belgian chocolate cake, chocolate chips, butterscotch. So, when I put it there, I remind her that she has to bake. She has to have an income.
Yung
Ito
may-
kay Maymay, noong 1981 pa ito. Ito kay Robbie, ang anak ni Mikey. Remind na yun.
Ipinakita rin niya ang ilang silverware na siya mismo ang naglilinis.
You have to preserve this. See? This one is a regalo from my 25th wedding anniversary. Gusto ko na maganda ito at isa-shine ito lagi. Kasi mamahalin ito. Kaya dapat alagaan at may sentimental value. Ngunit maski na hindi rin mahal yung iba na silver at may sentimental value, hindi tinatago ko talaga ng malinis. And then,
At dahil metikuloso sa lahat ng kanyang kagamitan, pati ang pagbrush ng sapatos, siya rin ang gumagawa.
suede ito. Kaya kailangan paglinis ay circular motions. Tinuturuan ko yung mga katulong ko na dapat ganito.
Ano pa pong plano ninyo? Ano pa ang gusto ninyong ma-achieve?
In my life?
Oo, in your life. Ang dami nyo nang napag-aralan, ang dami nyo ng degree, napasok na kayo sa politika, sa kung saan mang larangan kayo napabilang ay nag-succeed na kayo. Meron pa po ba kayong hinihiling pa?
Actually, last week, dinala ko yung aking mga apo.
Oo.
I brought them to Brunei. My daughter says, when mommy asks you to travel, it's an adventure. When daddy asks you to travel, it's a trip. Okay? So, I'm beginning to take my grandchildren with me. I want them to see Southeast Asia. And I want to go to Florence and I want to take care of my grandchild in Florence because Maymay's married, no?
So, Lola duties.
Yeah, I'd like to do that. But I also want to finish my Islamic studies. Nagka-enroll ako sa UP, sa Islamic studies before I started campaigning. And I'm beginning to learn how to write in Arabic. Yeah. And I see the Muslim culture. I had a paper about that in the Philippines, Malaysia, and Indonesia. And I was reading. I tried to study the best I could on Islamic jurisprudence. Yeah,
Baka
but
naman po magko-convert na rin kayo sa Islam.
no.
Hindi naman.
No.
Marami pong salamat.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much
yeah.
for this honor.
Oh,
Now-
it's an honor to be on the show. Yeah, interviewed by you. Yeah.